Hey guys, how are you doing? This is Keiron Hogg, and in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Rank Vault. This is a really cool app in my opinion. I've been able to play around with it, and it's going to show you how you can rank #1 on Google in a matter of seconds without any backlinks. I've got members area access here. We're going to check it all out. We're going to play around with it, see if you like it, see how we can help you in your business. Also, loads of potential freelance ideas as well. I'm going to show you, and we've got loads of bonuses, my bonuses and including theirs. There's over 265 bonuses. Incredible. And that is also including my mega bonus bundle of 225. So guys, we're going to learn all about Rank Vault, so I'll see you on the other side. Welcome back, guys. Rank Vault is a product that is going live on Friday at December 2nd at 11 o'clock Eastern Standard Time with a front end of $15, but there is a $2 discount, so you'll be getting the front end for only $13. It is being launched by Trevor Carr, who is a 7-figure affiliate, very famous in this industry. Also, he's got 2 other partners, Luan Henrique and Soan Fasasi. So guys, before we get into the members area, I want to take you to my bonus page where we're going to learn a little bit more about Rank Vault and just get more familiar with it. So this is my bonus page. It's going to stay up until Monday, December 5th. And guys, Rank Vault is a way to unlock free buyer traffic. New SEO software ranks any site on the first page of Google without backlinks and unlocks free buyer traffic from Google in seconds from now. Now guys, if you do like this product and you like my review and my bonuses, if you wait till the end, I've got a treat for you, okay? Also guys, what do you think about my background? Is it too dark? I'm up on my roof. It's a little bit dark right now. I've got the lights in the background, but anyways, you can let me know in the comments if you think it's too dark. Okay, so there is a demo video here that will be in my description for you. You can check this out on your own time, but let's just learn a little bit more about what it is and some of the features so you can rank #1 on the page of Google quickly, easily. You can find long tail keywords that rank first page on Google, analyze your website and find the most critical SEO points, create unlimited backlinks to any site you want, unlocks free buyer traffic from Google, finds thousands of keywords you can rank for, perfect for newbies, cloud app, and this is really cool. The free commercial license is included, so you can use these services that you have in here. So look here, this is the dashboard. We've got the keyword research, the golden keyword, website analysis, create backlinks. You can use this and actually use it with clients. So let me just show you some of the kind of money that you can use it on Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer. So let me just take you over here. I just did a couple quick keyword searches, okay? So keyword research, look at this. So you got 20, 40, 70, 145, and this is just the the basic plan. If we go to the advanced, the standard, 225, 295. So guys, that is just one if you want to do keyword research, and there's other prices here, 125, 100, 250. So some of these are really high, 110, and again, those are just the basic prices. Look here, SEO website content. If I just take you down, varying prices here, 15, 35, 60, 125. Again, that is the basic. And variety, 15, 15, 150, 55. So you get an idea. There is a lot of potential here. If I take you to SEO for YouTube, look at here. So I will optimize your SEO and metadata of your past YouTube, $100, $50. So a varying price, 210, 400. Some really fantastic prices here. Blog writing, SEO blog writing, 140, 50, 15, 10, 60, 100. Again, these are the basics. The standard and the premium will be even more. And what is this one? Backlinks. So you can do this as well. 250. That is just the basic. $50, $120, $95, $3.95. You get the idea. There is a huge amount of money that you can make as a freelancer with Rank Vault. So you can check this out more on your own. I'll let you do that. Let's go to the members area here. So you can type in any keyword research that you want. I just said how to make money on YouTube in 2023. Now you've got a bunch of different languages here that you can play around with. So if I just do a search, it will start to generate different entries here. So we've got done, to do, and found. Okay. Now I'm not going to waste too much of your time doing this. I just want to collect a few. So I'm just going to say, all right, we'll just stop there. Now I can pick any of these. So how to make money on YouTube in Kenya, how to make money through YouTube ads, how do you make money on YouTube advertising. So if I just pick, I can put these into a notepad. So I just picked up how to make money on YouTube advertising, how to make money on YouTube through ads. And of course you would let that run through the 100% if you wanted to collect a lot more. And Luan advises in the beginning, when you do your keyword research, your golden keyword, just to enter one. Okay. So I just deleted one. I've just put in one, okay, just for one. And look, you've got, it's at a 1. That's massive. So that is super easy. That is a golden keyword. You can make money on YouTube. You can SEO this. So this is exactly what you're looking for if you want to start making money through SEO and golden and keyword research. This is exactly the long tail keyword that you would want. Okay, so how to make money on YouTube advertising. It's a long tail, very specific. People are searching for that. And also you can do website analysis. So I'm going to type in my website now. I've got a bad feeling about this because my website needs a lot of work. KeironHogg.com. So it's reviewing it. The score is 55 out of 100, not very good, right? And I know that I'm in the midst of kind of trying to revamp my website. So it's got a bunch of different data here that you can look at, all right? So it's going to teach you how you can improve your SEO, and the best thing is that you can use this for your clients. You can help them with their websites and help them rank higher as well. It's got a bunch, so it shows you what is all right and what needs to be worked on, okay? So my images, we only found 16 images. Your text to HTML ratio is only 8%. Flash is perfect, iframe is great. So it's telling you what is good, but what really needs to work, what you need to focus more on, okay? And the training in here is gonna teach you what you need to learn, okay, in this to get better at it so you can actually find clients. All right, so I don't wanna take up too much of your time, but there you go. So the performance is 75, not bad, better than what I thought. And also, this is where you can create your backlinks as well. So I told you when you went to backlinks, backlink SEO, 250 basic. So a lot, 195, 120. This is just the basic. So there's a lot of potential with Rank Vault. Okay, so, and there's also settings here, your tutorials, your upgrades, and your support. There's also a demo video by Luan in my description, so you can check that out. It's going to be in actually my bonus review, my bonus page review. So if I just go up, it's going to be right here for you. You can check that out on your own time. All right, guys, let me take you now to my bonuses that I think are going to also help you make money. So my first one, guys, is Testorama. This is a product I launched with Suleik Tagala and Jorge Villa. This is how you can make $10 in 10 minutes over and over again. One of the easiest ways that you can make money online, regardless of your age, your location, your tech background, or your experience, you will be able to make money with this. Now, what you're gonna wanna do though, you're gonna wanna show your proof of purchase of Rank Vault, and then I'll send you the Warrior Plus coupon to get your free access, okay? Another one, guys, is how to build an email list easily. I walk you step by step how you can grow your email list super easily. Also, guys, if you are going to be doing some freelance work with either Upwork or Fiverr or Freelancer, I thought this would be great for you as well. You can actually learn how to meme for money. This is a 7-figure affiliate showing you the ins and outs of how you can potentially make a lot of money with memes as well. This is my original product, my first product that I did. It was with my partner Suleik, and this is about launch jacking and how you can make money doing review videos, but there is so much information in here. We really went overboard. We show you what we really tried to do was show you how you can do launch jacking with no monthly recurring fees. We really tried to find ways, free hosting on certain sites. Also, I have a template here, a bonus page template that you can play around with, and just loads of other cool information that I think you'll get a lot of value from, okay? My mega bonus bundle of 225 bonuses. And guys, there's 2 sets of bonuses from the vendor. We have the exclusive bonuses and we have the semi-exclusive bonuses, all right? So to get all these, you just click on any of these purple buttons. It's gonna take you to the sales page. So I told you there's a $2 off, right? So you can claim that right there. And what you'll do is you just go to the same color tab on the sales page, and that's gonna take you over to Warrior Plus. Click on that blue button, and then it's going to take you to this area here where you're going to get all of my bonuses. So you'll get the Testorama, everything here, the Profit Launcher, my mega bonus bundle of 225, and the vendor bonuses. So I'll just click on the vendor bonuses. I'll show you. So you're going to get 8 bonuses in the exclusive bonuses. And if I click on the semi-exclusive bonuses, you're going to get, I think, 32. So let's quickly zip down here through it, and yeah, you're getting spoiled in this one because you're getting 269 bonuses with my link, okay? And this one here is just crazy, 225.
What? Did we just become best friends? Yep.
All right, now let's learn a little bit more about it in the sales page, okay? So you know all this, Okay, guys, so plus you're gonna get a free bonus included, $100 a day SEO Biz Blueprint. Okay, so that's an extra bonus that you're gonna get. Now look, there's some more financial proof about the freelance industry that you can potentially get with Rank Vault. So $440 sale, so SEO copywriter, let's see, $82 an hour, up to $1,000 per sale, $912. So what is this? Permanent PBN links, and it just keeps going. 125. This is SEO keywords, which I just showed you on Fiverr. So there's lots of things here. I don't want to take up too much of your time, but you're going to get the keyword research module, the golden keyword module. So it shows you what is red, you don't really want to touch. There's a lot of competition. Yellow, just like a traffic light, kind of be cautious. Green, go, right? So yeah, you can check this all out on your own time. It's going to be in my link down below, okay? So this is just more information about what each particular module gives you. Again, here is the demo video. You can check that out on your own time as well. And here's some proof. Look, ranking on page 1 is easy. So here's some of the money that they're making as well. So this is Atomic done for you. This is a review, I believe, that he did. And commission, yeah, commission robot. These are different kind of Doodly review. You've heard of Doodly, right? So they're ranking these on the first page, and they've got a lot of proof here. They've got some testimonials here. So yeah, this looks really powerful. Let me take you to the price and the upsells. All right, so guys, the front end, $15, but with a $2 discount, $13, right? You're gonna get the keyword research, the golden keyword, website analysis, backlink maker, plus 269 bonuses, okay? Pro version at $37, So I linked every sales page, by the way, so you can check that out in more detail on your own time. Otherwise, if I go through each one, it's going to be a very long video. Unlimited everything. Create content, traffic vault, Google rank checker, step-by-step SEO training, premium support, unparalleled price. So guys, in my opinion, the pro version is a no-brainer. You're going to also be getting taught the SEO training, which is going to be integral if you want to use your skills and hire your services to potential clients, and also as a freelancer on some of these different websites like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, etc. So you want to get this. If you like what Rank Vault is showing you, you want to get the OTO1. OTO2, 300,000 articles. It's incredible. Okay, plus the PLR rights. So I'll let you learn more about that on your own time. The reseller license, so you can sell this and get 100% on the whole funnel, and cash from scratch. This is Trevor's at $47, and you can look at the sales page on that as well. But really, OTO1 is a no-brainer. You want to be getting that, and maybe there's another one that you want to consider as well. All right, you guys, before we leave, I'm just going to summarize what Rank Vault is. So it's newbie friendly, super easy, step-by-step training. It's hosted on the cloud, so there's nothing to install, and you can get the full commercial license included today, and you can earn high profits easily on multiple platforms as a freelancer, which I just showed you, okay? Plus, you'll be getting all of these bonuses. Don't leave without getting these, especially that one. You're getting some great vendor bonuses as well. All right, my friends, so that was Rank Vault. Trevor Carr is a 7-figure affiliate, and the other two gentlemen, Luan and Sean, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right or wrong. My apologies if I am not. These guys, I've been in touch with them. They're wonderful guys, and this looks like a winner to me. So keep that in mind, guys. If you want to take your services and make some crazy money on some of these sites, do that. And yeah, you can potentially have a few side businesses. All right, guys, and I told you, you want to get SEO1, OTO1 at least. And if you got value from this, give me a like, drop me a comment if you have any questions, or if you just have questions about making money online. I will get back to you with an answer, and if I don't know it, I'll find someone who does and get back to you with that answer. And guys, if you want to get my free training to learn more about affiliate marketing and making money online, check out the link down below. And if you want to see how a 7-figure affiliate crushes it in affiliate marketing and making money online, he shows you his winning formula, check out that link down in my description as well. All right, my friends, thank you very much for being here. Oh, and I told you, if you do get it through my link, I have another bonus for you. I will be sending you a thank you email asking you to whitelist my email. It only takes about a minute. I show you step by step in video how to do it. And when you take a picture, screenshot, and show me, I will send you another video that is really good. I got a lot of value from, and I know you will too. All right, you guys, thank you for your time. I really appreciate it. This looks like a winner to me, so keep that in mind. It's only going to be $13 with the front end, but that OTO1 is a winner. So I'll stop talking. Best of luck on your journey, and take care.